Voices carry journeys from quiet homes to crowded streets. Worlds unfolding in a conversation, an educational podcast, a circle of minds learning from each other. Aphamazwi ethathibana khona aphivelaphi zethu zibalisa amabali indawo yokwabelana ngezimvo ngehlabathi. Asifaya podcast imikhali ikhuzulwa ngumahle sive ngicela umfo wasemamfeleni olisa ohlathi ojambase imfene zimabutho ahlutana ukuthola kwelanga. Asifaya podcast. I won't grow because of First National Bank deductions. So that's why I'm here to encourage all businessmen not to take loan, but to budget for anything to grow their business.
What about if funding? Jengoba, let's say like you as a businessman who have grown to this point and you like Spio, you selling mics, I'm gonna find you. What about that? Can you take that?
I'll take it.
Okay.
Yes, I can take if you fund me. I can take it.
So it's not more about like the handout, it's about like you avoiding interest expense Paku Bank.
Bepenki nami.
Okay.
Yes, which will one day remember driving school ihola kay 2 unyaka. I told isalary. Isalary yakho uyithola after you completed that number of 20 students that you have been given by a mind. You must complete those students before bakubhadala labantu laba.
I hear you.
Yeah.
Yo,
So-
abakhuphi ne-deposit.
No, they will give you the 50%,
Okay.
which yenzele vele ukuthi
I-running
i-trainee run
costs.
it program.
Okay.
And then your last 50% is not for running. Eyiteki lakho, eyebhruku lakho. Now, what I did mina ne, I didn't utilize for iteki, but I
That's
put
where the
it-
savings
Good.
came in.
This is like 4 envelopes now. I take the certain part of that last 50% and put it on a separate account. When Glencore is paying me, remember putting 150,000, and who's next is Kutala
Mm. Mm.
after 3 months,
Yeah.
and then I put another 150,000.
Yeah.
How much do I have?
300.
300,000. Then ikunikeza isibindi sokuyofuna into manje, cash. That's how mina ngi-operate ngakhona. Kizo zonke izimoto engizithengile la ekhampanini ngizithenga ngaleyo ndlela leyo. We don't owe a car. We don't owe a car. We are owing our last truck is code 14 truck
Okay.
worth more than 600,000 in its cash.
Yeah.
In its cash.
So there's a book that you read from my library when I was here in 2022. Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Yeah, rich. Yes, I remember,
remember
yes.
you loved it so much, right?
Yes.
It advised that use it is the one that advised that use debt to build your wealth. The same author used Robert Kiyosaki. He would advise people that they should use debt to build their wealth.
Yeah.
What's your take on that? I mean,
No.
don't you think maybe you slowed your progress by saving up? What are more benefits that you had by buying cash over taking a loan, even if you
now,
qualified?
on my side, the author is correct. Ngiyamsaba umuntu ebhizinisini oyikwana. I-author yasitshela ukuthi risk.
Take risk.
Take risk, go and borrow 1 million and grow your business. No, it's fine. Now, mina, lo muntu, umehluko phakathi kwami nalo muntu lo, ukuthi la yena une monthly income kwi-industry le yakhe ekhona ukuthi yes
Stability.
now unawubuyela ngale kimi mina ngihola kayi-2
Okay.
or
Makes sense.
mina ngizohola kayi-1 ngonyaka.
Ngonyaka.
Say for instance this year iGlencoe iwakhiphile ama-student ne ikhuthala yangawakhiphi ne i-Minopex yangawakhiphi i-Malachi Child yangawakhiphi kanti komunye unyaka kwenzekile ukuthi the
Bakhi-
4 bavele bonke ngeKhaleki. Now uyayibona ukuthi i-bank ngelinye ilanga izofuna ukwenzani. Sorry. Yes, i-bank izofuna ukuthi mawungayibhadalanga iloku ikubiza lapha ukuthi ye wena uyazi ukuthi aware ukuthi awusibhadali for 3 months manje. Then sifuna ukuthi sikuthathe sikufake kuma lawyers ethu. So in order for avoiding isikoloto via i-bank, I've made a decision ukuthi I'm not gonna buy anything ekule company nge-credit, including my code 14 truck ukuthi how to build now sikhuluma ngenye into, how to build 600,000. Maybe that will be a question.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
Baba Masha.
How to build the 600,000. 600,000 to build it is easy. Wonke ama 50% wakho wokugcina, calculate them. Calculate ama 50% wakho wokugcina. Remember, your first 50% is for students. But your second 50%, which give you 100%, it's if you are aiming at gaining something, you must be disciplined when coming, say, instead of going to a mall ukuthi imine ibhadalile the final payment with some big
Shopping bag.
uzangena nakwenye ishop ecala ngo-SP blah 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 uzosigcina I didn't mention the name ngizwile ne so uzosigcina usithola lapho uthenga ibruku ibhokadi ye 40,000 because really we are qualified because wenzeni uyiphethe esandleni. So in order ukuthi ungahlubuli ube nemali yepetrol ube nesinkwa endlini ne you suppose ukuthi kule 50% le ne say for instance i-100,000 and then ukunyaka upartner wami ne baba thatha nayi 10,000 go spoil yourself. Remember the envelope, that 12.50 cents.
Spend.
Use it, spend it.
Guilt-free money.
Yes. I don't care what you do with the 10,000.
Yeah.
Can I bring the 4 envelopes so that people don't get lost? Are you lost? It's a Tapelo Jonas interview. We spoke about 4 envelopes, which he uses to teach his young ones how to deal with money, how to navigate themselves. So envelope number 1 was investment. Envelope number 2 was spending. Envelope number 3 was giving. Envelope number 4 was savings.
Yes.
I just call them like randomly, but yeah, those are 4 envelopes that we
Which give you the 50 rands, which is equal, is when we divide it, it will be 12.50 each.
Yeah, so he
Okay.
give abantwana bakhe 50 rand every week, and then every envelope will have 12 rand 50. You really watched this interview?
But
Le sikhuluma ngayo.
I'm very much
Wisdom goes with intelligence.
yeah. Really.
I'm honored.
Really, I still remember when I changed the 4 envelopes into God's purpose now that give your life
Mm.
unto the Lord. Invest your life with God.
Let-
Spend most of time with God.
I hear you.
Yeah.
We will get to God, and you will be fascinating. You will be fascinated when we get to this. The viewers at home there.
Yes.
How to build 600,000
Thousand.
rand.
Yes. Now you're 50% in the last one.
Mm.
Now is ngithi kuwe ayenzelwanga iteki le Nike. You thenga into, idla into engeke ikuhlekise ngabantu because you're a businessman. You must drive a car engeke ikuhlekise ngabantu because you're a businessman. So you must learn to lower yourself. Not lower yourself in the way that wonke umuntu akhona ukubona ukuthi mara kubuhlungu yeso ukubona kule position. Yenza sure ukuthi you cover yourself, ne, ukuthi ungabi exposed kwabanye abantu. Now remember we talk about 100,000 which gives you the 50%. Now baba, my partner, take your 10,000, go and spoil yourself. Nami ngithatha 10,000.
10,000.
Selling how much? 80,000. Now, where does the 80,000 goes to? Remember your petrol, your diesel. Ne? Now, sithi okay, yini ezokhona ukuthi survive is 20,000. Ne? 20,000 go 80,000. Now, where does 60,000 goes to? Investment.
Mm.
If you start building now your investment. Remember this one comes from Clemco, and you are still waiting for Minopex to pay after 2 months or after 3 months. You do the very same thing with 50%. I-Minopex ngaba 70,000 final payment yabo, which is 50%. You're supposed now to go back to calculation now. Ukuthi baba, remember kuleya bekuyi 100,000 uthole malini 10,000. Does ubaba deserve or does mina deserve to take another 10,000
Mm.
No,
on the 70,000?
you
No,
discipline.
it's a discipline. Now it goes back to your 3,000, 5,000. Ne? Then the remaining one, put it on the other account, on the investment. That's how you build your 600,000. That's why I was able to buy my Code 14 with a trailer truck cash.
What investment did you put it on? Is it just putting it aside?
Is to put it aside.
Okay.
Put it aside. Angithi uzobona ibhenki izothi kuwe i-30 days notice. Mina ngisebenze nge-30 days notice.
Mm.
And uyaqhaqhazela nakhuluma nge-30 days notice because
Mm.
ziningi izinto ezenzekala around. Ungathi ungafunga ngathi ungazithatha ubeke lapha ku-60 days notice, 180 days notice, because this one is so short.
Mm.
It's like just saving, because what is happening with saving, that's why most of the guys, I'm speaking to you guys who are working, that's why you have this challenge with my savings. And every time when salary yakho iqeda ukungena, money will bother you. Yeah, I don't want to stay there. Please come and see me. Let's meet a Capitec. The cat is talking to the man.
Yeah, cheese.
Yes, please, let's meet at Capitec. And vele ngaleso speed leso seteksini se-Capitec. Capitec ikufaka emakhams.
Yes.
Yeah. And emaphuma emakhams, you've got nothing. You've got nothing. So uthola ukuthi uspenda ngathi ikhanda lakho leli alithathi because you are missing the 4 envelopes. If umuntu asebenza ne acategorize izinto zakhe via the 4 envelopes, ne, loyo muntu loyo ngeke aphinde ashaye, ngeke umthole ngelinye ilanga ekokoda kamashonisa athi ngiboleke imali, because uyayazi lento le. So yilento le engiyenzile mina la ecompany ithunduluka driving school, ukuthi we should have a method of how to invest. Now sithethe ini 30 days notice,
Mm.
and it helped for us.
Yeah.
But remember, you cannot do what you call it 30 days. 30 days is what disturb uwe. if imali yokusebenza, working capital,
Yes.
was not entertained. So in order ukuthi ungazohlupha i-30 days, ufanele ukuthi ube ne-cash ukuthi when ngifuna ikuthela itruck aliso i-diesel, the money is available.
Post
Because-
sorry.
Yes,
Post office benibiza petty cash.
petty cash. Yes, that's a petty cash.
Um,
Ile silala nayo
Yeah.
after banking.
I'm very invested in this conversation because it affects me like to the core. I want to ask this question. So one of the things that happened when I was working in the US, before I left, I was making my own money in my own capacity as a self-employed entrepreneur, right?
Yeah.
So I would make my money in my own terms. But when I started working in the US, I started being paid in checks. I was paid bi-weekly. So after 15 days, they would pay me. When I came back, my attitude towards my money as an entrepreneur has changed, has suddenly changed. I now dealt with my profits like I would deal with my salary. So I'm coming to ask you this question: from working at a post office as an employee for 18 years, and now you switch into business, switching from salary into managing the business, what did you have to change? What conversation had to go on there? Because I mean,
Mindset. You change your attitude.
give me details of that.
You change your mindset. Now remember one thing. You're spending. You're spending. You're supposed to administer it now ngendlela correct in order ukuthi ungazitholi ne usenkingeni
Yeah.
ye finance, because now angithi ufana nomuntu bengizokwenza i-example ngomuntu oqeda ukuthola umsebenzi. Umuntu oqeda ukuthola umsebenzi, if that person fails to manage himself kule salary le, then loyo muntu loyo akayindawo. That's why we've got abomashonisa namhlanje. Loyo muntu loyo uphelela akumashonisa because the management style asebenzisile bengasi style esinjani esi-correct. So you have to discipline yourself in order to survive. Yeah.
Yeah. Discipline goes a long way.
Yeah.
And discipline instilla nge-habits kwakhona. What
Yeah,
I'm learning
I am answering your question.
Yeah, you did.
Yes.
You did. Thank you
Yes.
so much. On your side, Spijo?
Yeah, hey, I'm taking in a lot. Awubona ngithule kangaka nje.
Oh, you are still thinking of making 600,000.
Which is another thing, baba. Which is another thing. Which is shocking to business and things like that.
And you'll ask me two trucks, code 10 trucks worth 300 and something thousand each, bought cash, and then another one following year. Ama-truck engiwathenge in COVID elilandelako after i-COVID. I still remember when I was there to fetch the truck and fanele ngithole permit.
Paper, yeah,
Yeah,
paperwork
a paper.
nani. Yeah.
But ngiphuma ngaleya ndlela leya. Don't ask me ukuthi ngifike kanjani eVryburg, but I was there to collect a truck and ngibuye ngalo safe. Itruck lami le code 10, the first one, the KPK, and then it was followed by the KGX. The KGX the following year.
Yeah.
Then in a period of a year, then I bought a a Caravana, a Kombi, just
Ikarakar.
Karakara,
The
just
VW.
just
Yeah.
to be smart kuma student wala ekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah, to entertain them. Ke bahlale emasitini ane table.
Yeah.
And
Ajigayo.
lapha ngaphakathi,
Yeah.
and the table and the screens
Phew.
to watch movie.
Bangashaya uvalo.
So it's which one was first? The white VW. Then I bought the red one. A company.
Mhm.
Then we had 2 trucks in which my test legal service is used to also to assist when kunama student I2 because there is no need to keep ikhumbi.
Yes. It
Yes.
doesn't make financial sense.
Yeah, it's also assisting.
Mm.
And then we grow the company. We've got now Babu Sluma as a guy who's monitoring the Code 14 track or training students who Code 14. We've got Uba Matlalela, or substitute Ubaba, which is training the Code 10. We've got my son who's doing a traveling. uhambisa
Yeah, to and
student.
from.
We've got Uzinhle who's sharing 25% eTunduluka, who's
Okay.
also assisting me in training manje. When I'm ngingekho eklasini,
Yes.
Zinhle will be there. So
And Zinhle is your daughter.
is my daughter, yes.
I want us to talk about that as well. Teaching your kids or your children, giving them the bait of business. But before we get there, Mfuna ukubuza, I want to ask you this question. This is one of the things I actually learned from you, and I did exactly that. But if someone else would ask me why did I do this, I wouldn't have an explanation that you probably have right now. One of the things that you taught me was, I'm gonna read it here. You said, if you don't scatter your
Your
money
money.
around,
Yes.
um,
Your money
your money,
will follow the money ShopRite.
yeah. But
Because it does- your man-
basically,
basic-
you said I should. I remember when we were having that conversation. I might not have it full here, but I still remember and I still apply it. You said, Sive, put money in your car, put money in your house, have money in your bank, and scatter your money around. And I did that. Have money also in assets. Why? What's the reason? If someone was to ask,
Let's-
why do you scatter your money
Let's
around?
let's start with in the business.
Mm.
How do I scatter money in the business? Ne. Now you've got your account. Ne. Which
Main
imali
account.
yakho ingena khona. If i-student isibhadalile imali yakho irola khona, then you've got your investment. Now remember one thing, your investment will be in 2 forms now. Did you know that? Yes. The first one, it's money that you have invested with the First National Bank. Sorry, guys, to use your name. As an example, ne, izoba lapho. Money, the physical money.
Yes.
Then the other money is your investment. Izinto onazo physically.
Or assets.
Your assets mean a lot business because yiyo carry i-value enkulu than into esebhenki. Now that's why abantu angeke bakubize nge-millionaire because of i-truck lakho nekhumbi yakho nebhasi lakho. But in the real sense, you are a millionaire ku-investment ye-property. Uyangi-understand ukuthi ngifuna ukuthini? Rather than your investment ebhenki, the physical one, which is
Or
your physical
cash.
cash
Mhm.
ebhenki. Now ikulamlela nini i-cash ebhenki? Imali yakho yasebhenki ikulamlela ukuthi ungazitholi usenkingeni. Ne? Because uyakhona ukuthi u-accommodate the spending part yemali yakho rather than uthola ukuthi sowuhamba uboleka izimali mhlawumbe kumashonisa whatever, ne, ibhenki ikulamlela la.
emergency
Yeah.
fund.
Now ukuze ibhank ilamuleke fanele ukuthi wena endlini ulamulela ibhank, because if ungalamuli ngento yakho ngaphakathi endlini, every time uzosithola ume kuphi eCapitec. Ikhadi lakho likutshela into eyi-one ukuthi go there, you've got a pin, go there and withdraw the money. Why withdraw imali? Because imali endlini manje sengikhuluma ngale yasendlini, you didn't scatter your money. That's what he's asking me. Ukuthi how do you scatter your money? And ukuscattera imali kukusiza ngani endlini? Ne. Let me give you an example. Umuntu oscattera imali endlini ne nomuntu ongascatteranga imali endlini, they are two different people. Ongascatteranga imali endlini ne ngikutshele ukuthi uphethe 25 rand la ephesini yakhe. Yazi 25 rand ithini? Ithi, please, I'm so bored. You are bored? Yes, I'm so bored. Take me to ShopRite, please. Take me to ShopRite in order to go there and stay with my friends. I'm so lonely here. I'm so lonely. And then umphimbo wakho uthini? Umphimbo wakho uthi Coca-Cola, please. Coca-Cola, please. Coca-Cola, please. And then you ithi ngeze ngisho-ShopRite ngithenga ini? I-Coke because ngenzeni? Ngomile ne. I understand ukuthi in a real sense awomanga. But into eyenza ukuthi wome yile 25 rand le oyiphethe, le ebhorekile enganabo abangani ngaphakathi endlini. Babshongo sengiya-understanda manje. Kusho ukuthi imali ihlala endlini ngoba ikhona ukudisha nalaba abanye. Le enye engaphansi komatrasi ivakashela leya esesofeni. My friend, marulele njani? Le enye iyaphuma ikarini lapha ku-S-Tray nangaphansi kwesidi. Kunama 20 rand, kunama 10 rand alapha hlala lapha ngaphansi. See, that's why when we talk about scatter your money, because if you don't scatter your money, you won't have money.
You on that line, you said you'll end up eating the seed.
Exactly. You'll end up with zero, because uthathe nale seed leyakhuluma ngayo yoqina. Angithi ephesini yakho mhlambe kunale 25 rand ne, and then ekarini kune 10 rand. Nale 10 rand le elapha ekarini uzogcina wenzeni?
Uzoyisebenzisa because it's
Ngoba
bought.
nayo ikubangisa ukuthi why uthethe u25 wamusa kuphi eShoprite. Nami
Ufuna ukuya la.
ngifuna ukuya kulandela umngane wami lapha. That's how money talks. Money talks with you. I used to tell my student ukuthi you won't have money if you don't love it. And but you know, loving of money is a sin. No, it's wrong. You must love money, but don't love money more than God.
True. That's
Yeah,
true.
don't love money than God, because immediately you love it in a way that you ithando lakho kuNkulunkulu liyehla, then kuzokwenzakalani? uNkulunkulu uzocala abone ukuthi no, lo sele rebel against me. Then uNkulunkulu nakaselehlisa punishment manje ukuthi yeki kwenzani imali, then so ucala uyahlupheka, sesikuthola estradini udobha amaphepha because i-mind yakho ayisafuni. Next sengathi uloyiwe, sithi yo lo muntu phela wayiso wayiso. Kanti because of i-stress ne-depression ne-anxiety eye wayidevelopha lo muntu lo, imithetho yambeka kuphi? Yambeka estradini.
I love it so much. Anything from you, Spicho?
Yeah. I'm taking notes. All right, Baba. So how are you managing mixing business with pleasure. I heard you are working with your daughters and sons. I believe that's pleasure because ngabantwana bakho, it's your family. How do you differentiate ke ngoku or- Yeah.
Pleasure on their side.
Yes,
Abantwana
because
bami-
bona mabekubona babona ubaba, especially mawusebhizinisini okanye
No,
you draw the line.
draw the line. Give them. Bobo said, Asholina. He asked me this morning.
Mm.
This morning, he asked me, hey, Asholina.
Your son.
Yeah.
Hayibo, yeah.
why is ngaholi kanti? He
Mm.
asked me, hey, Papa, now, yambona ukuthi wenzani? Ne. Uthi, even though you don't give us 10,000 or you don't give us 5, give us 3. Which is wise. Give us 3 at least. So that we can go out, mina nosisi wami,
Mm.
siyospenda ngaphakathi endlini. And then kule 3,000 now it depends on them, on the 4 envelopes.
Oh, how they distribute it.
Exactly. So that, and angithi if we don't teach them ukuthi kule 3,000 engikunikeze yona uzomela ukuthi uyisebenzise ngendlela e-right. You'll find them in 2 weeks time or in a week's time still babuyela kuwe ukuthi dad,
Mm.
can't you borrow us 2,000? You want to go spend it. Why? Baspende wrong ini i-3,000.
3,000.
Abazange bayenzeni? Bayishare into 4 envelopes, which is very much important.
Yeah.
I kumele sibafundise for envelopes.
Yeah.
Just tell them that they should,
And
they should watch
and
this.
then there's a word that is running around now. Kule era or kule period ye mentorship. Were you mentored? And are you mentoring your the ones that are coming after you?
Yeah, ama-classes ethu i-first 15 minutes isisebenzisayo emaklasini ethu ukuba motivate. Lama topics lawa esikhuluma ngawo njengoba sishare manje ne ama
Yes.
topic esikhuluma ngawo maningi si before we start a day, let's talk about yourself. Like ama topic are interesting. You've been looking for ukuba inesi, but somewhere it fails ukuthi uyenze leyo course. Even what was the reason and a way forward therefore yini? Yabasiza abantwana abaningi emaklasini ethu ukuthi babe motivated, because I'm not just a teacher but also a motivational speaker, so that we motivate them ukuthi impilo iso amaphutha akho sebenza kiwo so that ungakwazi ukuthi uphinde
The same
iphutha
mistake.
owalenza. Kufana nokuthi umfana akhulisa intombazana, if angabi motivated uzokhulisa enye intombazana. Intombazana ithola umntwana, if ingekho motivated iyothola omunye umntwana futhi.
Mm.
So it's what we always emaklasini ethu we are trying to drive for this 15 minutes ukuthi let's talk about into eso, let's talk about this topic, let's talk about this topic. This is what we are doing to motivate youth. Nabantu abadala. Remember, I'm
Yes.
given not youth kuphela but also waiting for students from one company which I've already sent a quotation you gave.
Mm.
I don't know them. Some of them might be older,
Yes.
about
Yeah.
50 years. So I'm waiting. They will be here. They'll be sitting here. I'm sitting now.
Okay.
So it goes like that.
Mm. And then again, there's this this word that has been thrown around in go multiple streams of income. Abantu bathetha nge-passive income, multiple streams of income. So far ubewuthetha ngale business eyi-one. What would you say wena ngokwenza amabhizinisi amaningi uwedwa?
It's what I'll encourage. I'll encourage ukuthi please don't concentrate in one business. I think I'm a multi-skill, and I'm very much fortunate ukuthi I'm a first guy to have a wheel alignment around the area. I'm a first one. I not say I'm proud of that, but it's due to the trust of
The people.
uNkulunkulu, ne?
And
And
God.
so I'm a businessman. I'm
Wheel
running.
alignment workshop.
Yes, I'm running a workshop. I'm selling new tires. I'm selling second tires.
What do we call that business?
Fitment center.
Okay.
Fitment center. Yes,
Okay.
I'm running a fitment center.
So wheel alignment, changing
Yes,
tires,
changing tires, balancing.
shocks, balancing.
Yes,
Yeah.
and I've just upgraded a nitrogen inflator.
Yes.
I'm first
Yeah.
one around the area. First one around the area. You are lucky because you're sitting with this.
Yes.
And taking you there manje
Yes.
khipha lo moya lo
Yeah.
obhorako lo
Yes.
yeah, inflator.
Nitrogen.
Yeah. And I'm coming with this one in a new company. The Enqabeni Drive Center, and I'm still thinking. Already establish a structure, business just after this road. La unaphuma la egeyidini
Yes.
kune foundation enkulu lapha.
Okay.
That will be a very big business. Ye tire center, fitment center, kule center le ski.
Okay.
Will be
Yes.
catering laba aba around,
Yes.
aba drive around rather than ukuthi bayile.
You-
So there's a business, and then the other one.
Hey, ungazikhuphi zonke baba.
Oh,
Ezinye bazazikopa ya. Ungazikhuphi zonke.
Yeah.
You're solving real problem because we saw so many cars coming right here. So that's a real problem. Do you wanna go again? I have this last question on my side. So.
You can go.
All right. So like again, going back, we always have these sit downs. It's just that there's no camera most of the time. It's just that this time there's a camera. So every time, guys, this is what I do with my uncle every year, and this is a conversation for 2026. It's just that this time I decided that we feature you on set. Last time we sat together, you said there's no successful person without a dream. I want you to comment on that together with this one, which you said, burning desire. There's no person without a success. There's no successful person without a dream. Everyone must have a burning desire because burning desire is from God.
Yeah, it's the dream factor. The dream factor. Let me say, ne, angifuni ungathi ngiyamthuka umuntu ongaphuphi, ne, kodwa bengizothi ngiyamzonda. That's number one. I hate someone who doesn't dream, who doesn't have a dream for his life yakhe. And that's why abantu abaningi they won't grow in businesses or whatsoever because they don't dream it. In order to achieve something, ne, fanele ukuthi uvuke nayo in your dream. Your dream is the only source that can take you far away. That's why when we interview you any place, and then we'll ask you, what is your ambition? What's your motion? Now, when we ask that question, we want to know what's your dream. What's your dream? Where do you want to see yourself? Because your dream is the only thing engakwenza ukuthi uyi-achieve into. Oh, that's why esithi umuntu ongaphuphi fanele ukuthi uphuphe kuqala.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In order, remember, ukuphupha is a vision from God. Now, you need to take care of your dreams. If you lost your dream, ne, uphuphile, ne, bese walahlekelwa ukuthi uphupheni, you must go back to a drawing board. Ukuthi what is a cause eyenza ukuthi i-dream lami engilidreamile ekuseni ngakwazi ukuthi
Ngilikhumbule.
ungalixoxela uzibanibanyana noma ngalithatha ngilinikeze uzibanibanyana. So seek God ukuthi i-dream yakho ingastopi in the middle. Let your dreams be completed.
Hmm.
Because I see many people, even one of us here sitting with us now. The prophecy say the very same thing I'm talking about. You used to dream, but when you wake up in the morning, you don't know. Ugcine kuyinja ikhonkothi ubaleka ukuthi ipheleliphi, you don't know. Nokuthi ifike njani izifuna ukukuluma, you don't know. You don't know. One of us here, C4, is having that problem. So said the Lord. Is having the very same problem I'm talking about. Dream. God wants to put someone high in a high position. But because of it, our dreams akhe, ahamba abe shattered in a way that he cannot even remember a single thing eyenzekile kulelo phupho lelo. And it's dangerous because God will always speak to you via the dream.
I forgot to tell you he's a prophet as well. Look, man, when you talk about a dream, for me, this is a dream come true.
Yeah.
I envisioned this conversation from the day I was conscious enough to talk to you about these hard conversations. And I told myself one day, we will have this. It will be recorded, this wisdom. It will be spread out there. So for me, it gives me so much pleasure at this moment because my dream has become reality. This is the moment of dream for me. And you've helped so many people right here, which we're going to talk about it just in closing. We're almost done, right?
Yes.
You've helped so many people around
Oh my
here.
God. Oh my God.
You
I love it. I love it.
You've
love
gave me so much courage. Let me tell you what happened, Babu Shabangu, when I
Yeah.
go out there.
Yeah.
Because of you, I talk to these millionaires. I see them. I'm not scared of them because the first millionaire I laid my eyes on welcomed me and showed me that I'm more of a human as well. You gave me hope. You gave me courage.
Yeah.
So when I go out there, I don't doubt myself. I don't hesitate on myself because of the things that you have taught me.
Yeah.
Because of the things you remember when I brought last year when we met, I
Yes,
gave you
give-
one of my books.
I'm having this gift. Hey, buy it. Art of Progress. Please.
When I
Where do you find the book? I'm marketing now.
as
Who am I supposed to ask?
as via media at Gmail. Say-
Asma?
Asivaye.
Asivaye.
yeah, as via
Yes.
as
Asivaye.
via media at gmail.com.
Media@gmail. This book, it's so thick. How many pages are here?
94.
94 pages. Please read it in 2 weeks.
Over the weekend. It's not that much.
Tisha ngayo.
But what is inside?
Mm.
Yeah.
It's lot of things, guys.
Yeah.
Lot of things. I'm marketing, and I'm seeing another one.
No,
Oh.
don't worry
Yeah.
about them. But Angela,
Tell them.
yeah, I wrote this book as a report
Yeah.
to some of the things that we spoke about.
Yes.
So I'm not so much big in reading, but I read in action. I remember when I brought you this book, I came with 4 keys. I came with 3 keys. 2 of motorcycles,
Yes.
one of the car.
Yes.
And when I last time I saw you, I didn't have those. But you told me the things that you told me, which some of them we spoke about them here. So I'm not impressed by people who read and not apply. I'm impressed by myself because I managed to take the small things that you told me and put them into action. And today I'm giving you a report, Uguti. It's a dream come true. And thank you so much. Since we're not going to stay long in this life, I'm glad we made this because 20 years down the line, this will be recorded. You gave me
Yes.
a gift. I mean, I came with my brothers, Speecho from Bloemfontein, Bokamoso from FFBK. I came with these brothers. They know exactly the hardship that we are having back home. We normally talk that we don't have all those people that are in higher positions that can give us like money when excuse my language, when shit hit the fan,
Yeah.
when it becomes difficult, we resort into ourselves. So to have people like you, even if you don't give us millions, but the wisdom that you're not gatekeeping, it means a lot to us because it unlocks us from where we are to the next step. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you. One of the things that you said to me, you said, even if you have less in your pocket, but find courage to help because that will save you. You said, I've never slept without the bread because I've helped so many people out there. And by the way, when I got my driver's license, code 10, I didn't pay much for it because of this man.
We take care. Parents, thank you very much. Sometimes all those parents who have given us their children to be trained by us free of charge, we appreciate. We are very thankful ukuthi sikhonile ukwasiza abantwana benu ukuthi bathole ama-drive license. I cannot count Nkosi yami nibaningi. Ngibonga ukuthi futhi niyangibekezelela ukuthi nginithathe mhlambe ngalo 11 kodwa ngenza sure ukuthi uma uzile ngiceliwe ukuthi i-give back to community. I do that, and that's why mhlambe uNkulunkulu asangigcinile at the age of 64, and praying for one thing, God please add my years because I'm here to help. Don't take me to Donna Memorial Park now. No, please God, don't.
Yeah.
What are you most grateful for? I mean, like you said, you've seen it all, you've been through it all. You're a millionaire today. What is it? What's one thing that you are grateful for or that makes you wake up in the morning?
First thing first. That's God. Open your eyes and say, thank you, Father, for guiding me throughout the night via your angels of the night. Because there is an angel each and every day. If you're gonna sleep where you are gonna sleep today, ne, the angel is invited. I was there. La nyolala khona. Why? Why kuye mina kuqala? La nyolala khona.
Uyokhipha uSathane.
I walk. You can't believe I walk there.
Sure.
I walk there. They show me the room. Show me this room. I show me. No. The room is that one. Yeah. Abantu mabathanda uNkulunkulu. Is alive. That's God.
Speecho, how you feel, my dog?
Yeah.
Valisa speech.
Kill them. Speecho Machiavelli.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I'm happy also to be part of this documentary, this film.
Yeah.
As you have said again, in 2036, 2046, it will be here, it will be archived and things like that. And it feels like a revolution where circle is complete, but now umalume nomchani giving back. And one thing I like about giving back again, you'll also give back to abashana bakhe naye, and
Yeah.
that cycle continues.
Continues.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's why we are trying to plant that seed kubantwana bethu ukuthi even ngesikhathi uNkulunkulu asikhumbula ngakhona,
Yes.
they must remember sharing bread with someone who doesn't have
Yeah.
bread. I was just reminding my partner, we used to give shoes to schools, and it's now quite a little bit years singazikhiphi icathulo, but 2026 will be taking 4 or 5 pairs to one of the schools around us.
Mm.
I think I must remember kuyobavakashela and then bangipick up the sizes
Yes.
and the identification of those kids
Yeah.
abanganayo icathulo. It will be isicathulo sama nesokisi la ekhaya.
Yes. Yes.
Sambisa isicathulo nesokisi. So we'll be doing this. Schools around, I'm coming 5 pairs. I won't mention the school which I'm intending to come and visit, but one of the schools will get that 5 pairs of shoes
Thank
this year, 2026. Yeah.
Thank you so much. He does that. He's
It's-
yeah, I love this man.
Yes,
Yo.
good.
Yo. Yeah,
Very
he does that. Uyapisana. Yo.
Learn that one and God will
And
bless.
Akafani noThemba
Yena
lona.
akafaka ama-camera.
Yeah,
Babona,
yeah,
ngeke
yeah.
asela ama-camera, which is another challenge.
Yeah.
Ngabantu, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Babshabang, before hamba sinombuzo wokugcina.
hayi udala simbambile.
Sinombuzo wokugcina. We ask everyone this question.
Yeah.
As people, we are going somewhere. Are we good there? But to Sondele. We ask every guest that come here. ukuthi, as people, we are going somewhere. In this journey of life. As people, we are going somewhere in this journey of life. Hence, as Vae, we are under the impression ukuthi siyahamba. Abanye bahambile before us. Some have arrived, some didn't arrive. Wena mawufika lapho, kunobufikile angazi. Where you arrive, where you intended to arrive when you were young, when you were growing up right now. What do you want to say about yourself? And what do you wish your family say about you? And what do you hope your family, the community would say about your arrival, about you?
Yeah, ukhuluma ngokuthi ukufika la sikhona manje.
Afuna ukukhunjulwa ngani maybe.
Ufuna ukukhunjulwa ngani?
Yeah.
That's that question.
Have you
Ngifuna-
achieved
ngifuna-
your dreams,
Yeah,
goals?
see, ngifuna
Yeah.
ukukhunjulwa ukuthi okokucala ngicale ngami.
Mm.
Mina ngisatisfied ngami. Ngisatisfied ngami. Why? Zonke izinto ngiyazibona every day. Uyangizwa ezingisurroundile ngiyazibona every day. And ngifisa umndeni wami ne uyithathe lento kimi ukuthi ngiphile kanjani nabo ngisaphila. Ngibahloniphe kangakanani abantu so that nabo inhlonipho le engiye ngayenzela abanye abantu nabo keep on. Engikwenzile ama-donation abantu where I'm sitting is second year if not third year. I'm sponsoring a trip ye closing yaka December for the disabled. I'm paying ibus abahamba ngayo. La ngihleli khona manje. This is a disabled class. I'm doing that because I just want to, and I want also my kids to, when I'm gone one day, nabo bayenze lento leyo because yinhle and iyayenza ukuthi umuntu kuyo yonke into ayenza aphumelele. Not say I'm rich, I'm not rich. I don't have money, borrow me money nemali. So but I ngiyakhona ukuphila, ngiyakhona ukudrive, ngiyakhona ukugqoka, ngiyakhona ukwenza zonke izinto njengabanye abantu. And finally, don't ask me another question, please.
No, we won't.
Finally, thank you guys for asivaye. Sivaye kahle ukufika la. la sikhona
Thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, sivaye kahle. Asivaye team go out there. Go out there, meet people like as you have met me, and please spread e-gospel kuma cell phone so that everyone can have the clip. Lena, whether you TikTok or Instagram and
Yes,
the
Facebook,
you name it.
yeah,
Please
Telegram.
spread it. There are a lot of guys waiting for this conversation.
Definitely,
Information.
Yes,
definitely.
please,
Yes.
guys.
No,
Yes.
thank you, Babu
Thank you.
Shabangu, for joining us. And that was Babu Shabangu all the way from Mpumalanga. Next stop, Senten. Senten will be in your hair.
Siyabonga, baba.